Now let's validate this mobile application with SS workpiece material. So I have already installed this mobile application. Spindle speed calculator. First parameter is select the workpiece material. So here it is the drop down menu and we have to select from this drop down menu our material. So I am selecting here as cast steel. Now next parameter is select tool material. So there are two types of the tool material. From this I am selecting carbide tool. Then select type of the operation. So here again it is drop down menu. So I am selecting straight turning operation. Cutting speed is 45 meter per minute. So now let's check this answer. Is it exactly as per the standard data? For the SS material and for the carbide tool, cutting speed is 45 meter per minute. Enter diameter of the workpiece. So as per this drawing, diameter of the raw material is 45 and after machining it will be 40 mm. So that data I have to enter here. Enter the diameter for straight turning operation 45 mm. So answer is spindle speed is 318.47 rpm. Let's check it with calculated answer. So here it is exactly calculated 318.47 rpm and the actual available speed on the machine is 307 rpm. Let's check it. Is it available here? So it is with the combination of A and D position of the lever. Machine can run at 307 rpm. We have already set this machine at 307 rpm. This lever is at position A and this lever is at position D. Now machining time calculator. Length of the workpiece 100. Let's say 100. Approach length as 5 mm. Over travel 5 mm. Total length 110. Diameter of the workpiece before machining 45. Diameter of the machined workpiece, that is after machining, 40. Depth of cut I am taking it as 0.5 mm. 0.5 mm. So feed of the tool in mm per revolution. Feed rate range is given here. This app also gives the range of the feed rate. So for rough operation it is from 0.5 to 1.25 and for finishing operation it is from 0.125 to 0.175 for this particular combination of SS and carbide tool. So here I am selecting as 0.5 mm per revolution. So these are the all answers. Spindle speed 318.47 rpm, machining allowance 2.5 mm. Total number of passes will be required 5 passes to complete this straight turning operation and total machining time is 3.45 minutes.